don't have to be worthy of the crown if I'm the king's son. You cannot like me all you want. It doesn't matter. That's my daddy. The king's kid walks into the throne room boldly. It don't matter what he did. It don't matter how bad it was. It don't matter how many folks he killed. It don't matter how many people got wrecked and ruined by the decisions he made. It don't matter how many kids he done had out of wedlock. Don't matter how many blunts he smoked. It doesn't matter how long you've been in jail. The king's kid walks right into the throne room of God and says, God, look, I jacked it up, but I need the help from the king to bring me back to where I'm supposed to be. Come on. Do I have any king's kids in this house today? If you are a king's kid, you need to give God some praise in here. Come on. I don't have to sit around and act like I don't deserve anything. I know I don't deserve anything, but that's my daddy. And when I get in trouble, I come to my daddy and say, I need you to fix it because you're the king and you have all power in this kingdom.